Assalamu alaikum students. How are you all? I am your science teacher Ms. Ridan sir. Welcome to the science class. Students, today we are going to solve exercise. First, we are going to solve multiple choice. First one is, which statement is true about liquids? The options are: they can be compressed easily, they do not flow, they have no definite volume, they take the shape of the container. So the D option is correct. Second option is, the particle model is based on three assumptions. Which of these is incorrect? All matter is made up of particles that are constantly moving. Option B is, heating a material affect the movement of particles in it. Option C is, some matter is made up of particles that do not move. Option D is, when particles are close together, they are attracted to each other. So option C is correct answer. Third option is, what is happening to the gas particles when a balloon is filled with air? The options are: they are avoiding each other, they are moving slowly, they are moving very quickly, they are not moving. C option is correct answer. Fourth option is, the spread of the scent of perfume away from the person wearing it is called. The options are: agitation, diffusion, dispersal, evaporation. B option is correct answer. What happens if the volume of a gas is reduced? The gas expands, the pressure increased, the pressure decreased, the temperature falls. D option is correct answer. Now we are going to solve true false. When 50 centimeter cube of water is added to 50 centimeter cube of alcohol, mixture has a volume of only 95 centimeter cube. This is because some of alcohol has evaporated. This statement is false. All substances expand when they are heated because the heat forces their particles together. This statement is false. Third statement is, smallest particles are called molecules. No, smallest particles are not called molecules. So this statement is false. The higher above sea level you go, the higher the air pressure gets. No, the higher above the sea level you go, there is no higher the air pressure gets. So this statement is false. Fifth statement is, an instrument used to measure air pressure is called a barometer. Yes, the instrument which is used to measure air pressure is called a barometer. So this statement is correct. Now we are going to solve question number 3. Identify which statement best describe solid, a liquid or gas. The answers of these statements are given in the next slide. Particles move about freely and at high speed. The answer is gas. Particles vibrate and cannot change position. The answer is solid. Has a fixed shape and volume. Solid. Particles vibrate and can change positions. Liquid has no fixed shape or volume. Gas has fixed volume but no fixed shape. Liquid, there is hardly any attraction between particles. Gas. Now are we going to solve? Fill the gaps using these words. On the book there are some words given. Above this statement you have to fill these words in the gaps. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.